Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's quick tutorial, I will show you exactly how to create a new folder in Visual Studio Code and how you can set it up for your HTML project. So make sure that you watch this video till the very end so that you don't miss any of the important steps. Also, before proceeding, make sure you check out the links of all the useful resources that are mentioned here in this video, linked down in the description box below. So without further delay, let's get started. First of all, you need to open your VS Code application on your computer. Once it is opened successfully, the interface should look something like this, or you can also see the welcome screen or your last open project over here. Now we are going to create a brand new folder for your HTML files. In order to do that, simply click on this file option here in the top. Now click on the option of open folder. Now as soon as you click on the open folder option, a window will be opened in front of you which will look something like this. Over here you need to right click on this space and then go to new and click on the folder. Over here you can give this folder any of the names like my HTML project, or I gave it like one. Then you need to select this folder, then click on the option of select folder and it will open in your VS Code like this. You can see its name here in the left hand section. If you want to add more folder over here, you can click on the plus icon. You can just type the name of the folder and it will come over here in the left hand section. Now the option 2 of using the same thing, you need to simply just open your desktop and you need to go to any of the locations on your computer. And then once you are able to find your folder which you want to open with VS Code, you need to simply just right click on it. First of all, you need to name it or rename it. Then you need to go back to your VS Code again, then click on the option of file, click on the option of open folder and select that same folder that you have named now. So this way as well it will come here in the left hand section. Now that the folder is opened, you need to just right click on the folder name in the sidebar and here you will see the new file option. So once you click on the new file option, you need to type this over here, that would be index.html. After typing it, you need to hit enter. Now VS Code will open in the blank HTML. So here you need to start it with the this and then you need to press the tab option over here. So now HTML template will be available here and you can start coding very easily on this place. If you want to preview your HTML, you can also install the live server extension from the extensions panel and you can start launching it, your HTML file in your web browser instantly. So this is how you can create a folder in VS Code for HTML projects in 2025. If this video helped you out, make sure that you give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more beginner friendly coding tips and comment if you need any help. Thanks for watching.